Good, happy Tuesday morning, everyone. December 3rd, 2019. It is day 2 of this storm. As you all know, the snowstorm started on what day was it? On Sunday, late Sunday night, Sunday evening, all the way into Monday. And it's still snowing out, and it's Tuesday. So, yeah, Sunday night, Monday, and then another day of snow. So it's still coming down here, Deerfield, New Hampshire, as you can see. And we're making our way down the driveway to see what the road conditions look like, and yeah. So it is coming down pretty good. Still coming down, if you can kind of tell. And chilly outside, cold out. And yeah. Hopefully you are all safe and sound and things. If you don't need to go anywhere, wait until this wraps up later on this afternoon. But if you do need to go somewhere right now or anything like that, just take it easy on the roadway. Okay? So, we're making our way down to check what the roads look like and get the newspaper as well. What is it like in all of your area, everybody? What does it look like in your part of New Hampshire? Let us know. No wind, just cold, so we're not experiencing too much of a wind. Just bitter cold and snow coming down. So making our way. So, lots of school delays and closings today. We shared a link with you earlier on the Riley King Network Facebook page on those school delays and closings. Let's see. So, no newspaper. Um, the roads looked snow-covered and things, but newspaper did not make it in today. Still snow-covered roads on our road in Deerfield, New Hampshire. You could see a little pavement, but it was still a snow-covered road. And no newspaper came. So yeah. Now we're gonna measure the snow and things. We'll see how much snow we got. And stuff. So we'll do that. So, glasses are fogging up. Again, if you don't need to go anywhere, wait until the snow is done. That's the best thing. But if you do need to go, just watch your speeds, take it slow, and make sure your car is cleaned off. And, yeah. So, those are the best advice to give you. But the safest spot in a winter storm is at home. The second safest spot is behind a plow truck. So, we're gonna measure the snow now. So, let's go in the backyard and measure the snow. The cars are covered in snow. My car is in the garage. All of the cars are covered in snow. And fluffy snow, I would say. Fluffy snow. No snowball making snow yet. We're gonna go down here. Whoa, look how deep the snow is, everyone. So, I have my snow roller. We're gonna do this. Hold on. So, we're gonna measure the snow. Like this. Whoa. So, we got about We got about we got about 11 inches of snow here in Deerfield, New Hampshire. As you saw, about 11 inches in Deerfield, New Hampshire. And yeah, so 11 inches here in Deerfield, New Hampshire. Let us know what your snow totals are. We want to know about that. So comment below and let us know. It's very deep, as you can see. Wicked deep snow. Let's see if it's good. Snow angel snow. Let's make a snow angel. Now I can't get it. I would say it is a little snow angel snow making, but very hard and thick, this type of snow. So yeah. So 11 inches in Deerfield, New Hampshire. Still snowing out in Deerfield, New Hampshire. And we hope you all be safe. Again, if you don't need to go anywhere, stay home. You can tell it's windy. The wind, little breeze. I can feel a wind breeze right now. And yeah, just wait until the snow is done to go anywhere. If you do need to go somewhere, take it slow and be safe out there, everyone. Have a great day, everyone. Have a great Tuesday. Talk to you all later and stay warm.